Welcome to Famous Dead People with your host, Carl Dahlquist.
Today, we will be talking with Nobel Laureate Marie Curie. Born in 1867, Madame Curie was a pioneer in radiology and was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and the only person to win prizes in multiple sciences. Madame Curie, please tell us a little bit about your early research.
My husband Pierre and I started our research looking at uranium and trying to understand it and its radiation better. It was this research that led to my hypothesis that radiation is not the interaction of molecules, but comes from the atom itself.
Very interesting. It was this research that led to you finding other radioactive elements, was it not?
Yes, during this time I was looking at different uranium minerals and discovered that some were more radioactive than others. This led me to believe that there was more than just uranium at play. So I began systematic search for other radioactive elements. This led to me discovering that thorium was radioactive. However, I did not receive credit for that discovery because I didn't publish in time.
What other discoveries did you make?
Pierre and I discovered two new elements in the course of our research. The first is polonium, named after my home country of Poland. The second element was called radium. Our work with radium led us to discovering that radium could be used to destroy cancer-causing cells.
Your research led to you receiving 2 Nobel Prizes. What were they for?
The first prize I received with my husband Pierre and Henri Becquerel in physics for our work in furthering Becquerel's discovery of radiation. The second Nobel Prize I received in chemistry for my discovery of polonium and radium.
Incredible. What did you do during the Great War?
During the war, I realized the need for X-ray units closer to the front, so I devised a way for X-ray machines to be installed in vehicles that could be driven to different locations near the front lines. I also designed a needle that could administer a radium-based gas to sterilize wounds.
We're almost out of time. So as a final question, how did you die?
I died because my body had lost the ability to create healthy blood cells. This was most likely caused by all the radiation I was exposed to throughout my life. At the time of my research, the effects of radiation on the human body were not known.
Fascinating. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you, Madame Curie, for visiting with us today. This has been another episode of Famous Dead People. Tune in next time when we speak with Teddy Roosevelt.